Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Apple Pay on Apple Watch, payment setup step by step clearly. First, make sure your iPhone is paired with your Apple Watch and both devices are nearby. Check that both devices are connected to the internet through Wi-Fi or cellular data. Update your iPhone to the latest iOS version from Settings, then General, then Software Update. Update your Apple Watch to the latest watchOS version in the Watch app, then General, then Software Update. On your iPhone, open the Watch app and stay on the My Watch tab. Scroll down and tap Wallet and Apple Pay. Tap Add Card to start the Apple Pay setup process. If you already use Apple Pay on your iPhone, you may see cards suggested for your watch. Tap the card you want to add, then confirm the details on the screen. If you want to add a new card, tap Add a different card and continue. Use your iPhone camera to scan the card, or choose Enter card details manually. Type the card number, expiration date, and security code exactly as shown on the card. Enter your billing address if your bank requests it during setup. Read the terms and conditions, then tap Agree to continue. Choose a verification method like SMS, email, or banking app if prompted. Enter the verification code you received to confirm ownership of the card. Wait for the card to show as added and active in Wallet and Apple Pay. If the card shows as pending, follow the on-screen instructions to finish verification. If verification fails, call the bank number shown in the wallet setup to confirm the card. After the card is added, set a passcode on your Apple Watch if you do not have one. On the Watch app, tap Passcode, then tap Turn Passcode on. Create a simple passcode you can remember, because Apple Pay requires it for security. Turn on wrist detection in the Watch app, then Passcode, to keep Apple Pay enabled on your wrist. To choose your default payment card, go back to Wallet and Apple Pay and tap Default Card. Select the card you want to use automatically when you pay. To test Apple Pay, open the Wallet app on your Apple Watch and confirm your card appears. At a payment terminal, double-click the side button and hold the watch near the reader. Wait for the confirmation vibration and checkmark to ensure the payment went through. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.